Hello, I'm April, the founder of Tabbi AI. I created Tabbi out of necessity. Despite having an MBA from the US and living here for over 10 years, I still struggle with English communication. I believe that AI technology can greatly improve the quality of life for non-native English speakers. Tabbi AI is special because it's designed to grow with you. Now, I will introduce some of the unique Tabbi features that have been released.
Corrected and edited. When you visit the Tabbi right page, you see a large window. You can directly type in English or copy and paste, then submit. And Tabbi will automatically display two versions. The corrected tab corrects the grammar while keeping the original intent as much as possible. The diff button is automatically activated to show the corrected parts, so you can immediately check your English mistakes. The edited tab shows the corrected version in expressions commonly used by native speakers. Therefore, by checking the edited tab, you can learn expressions that you knew but didn't use well, or new expressions that you didn't know. Choose the prompt. Tabbi is set to change my English to natural expressions used by native speakers for both write and talk. But you can change the prompt as needed. For example, if you select Help write an email and summarize the email content you want to write. For example, type in, I received an item but it arrived with a missing piece. Something like that. Tabbi will create a title and change the content to an email format. If you select Translate to English, you can use the translation function. In fact, it corrects to English without changing the prompt. But for more accurate translation quality, be sure to change it. Once you change the prompt, it will become the default prompt even if you close and reopen the browser until you change it again. Highlighter and history. To use the highlighter function on a computer browser, move the mouse over the desired sentence or word to activate it. On a mobile device, touch the area. There are currently 5 functions available. The leftmost one is the highlighter function, which allows you to save sentences or new words and expressions you want to remember. You can collect the saved words or sentences in the history window. When you press the second button, Tabbi reads the highlighted part in the pronunciation of a native speaker. When you press the next button, you can copy only the selected area. When you press the next button, it explains the meaning of the selected area within the entire context. The last button is a rephrase function, which shows alternative expressions for the highlighted area. The Tabbi history page is also designed to consider the needs of non-native speakers. You may not have time to check or use the history page while using Tabbi, as you may be in a hurry to write, correct, and send. But by using the highlighter function to save new expressions and common mistakes, and reviewing them through the history page, it will greatly help improve your English skills. Quiz. When using Tabbi, a cat will appear on the screen. Clicking on the cat will trigger Tabbi to create a quiz based on the English sentences you have written. The cat takes time to appear because the quiz is activated based on the sentences you have written. If you haven't seen the cat yet, use Tabbi more diligently. The quiz provides up to 2 at a time, and a new cat will appear on the screen after 24 hours. Tabbi Talk. On the other hand, as our reliance on AI increases, we may feel diminished when faced with situations where we have to speak English. Tabbi Talk was designed to address this problem. After clicking the microphone button, you can speak in English. Hi there, you can use Tabbi to prepare your important presentation. You can see the live transcription while talking, and you can also correct the words before sending them. By using Tabbi Talk, you can identify mistakes that result from your long-standing habit of speaking English and improve your English speaking by comparing your voice with the pronunciation of native speakers. To speak well, you need to be able to listen well. In the future, Tabbi will introduce a listen feature that can help you understand the flow of conversation in meetings or group discussions, so you don't become tongue-tied. We hope the Tabbi introduction demo video was helpful. And if you have any feedback, please feel free to send it to hello@tabbi.ai. Thank you.